Is this good?
Yeah, no, you should try. You can try it.
I think it's sticking.
All right.
Another eye?
Yep. Oh, yeah. You want to do the other side?
I guess I'll just do the eye first.
Oh, yeah, you can put the eyeball in there first, huh?
That will work.
That works. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, is that good?
Yeah, that's probably good.
Oops.
It's okay. Oh, you want to spread them out so they're not all together in one clump.
Like that?
Yeah. That's okay. There you go. And spread it out.
That good?
Yeah.
Other side goes here. Yeah, we need to stick it in the right here.
Yeah. And now let's see what your finished. Say ta-da!